The 6G is going to be the gear shift between science fiction and reality.
Innovate to sustain.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's innovate to sustain. There are moments in human history when technology stops being a tool but becomes a turning point. Engines did it, electricity did it, the internet did it, and now, quietly beneath the surface, the world is preparing for another turning point, the 6G. But wasn't that the duty of 5G? Let's discuss this query in detail on what 5G was supposed to be and how 6G is going to be different than 5G, and ultimately what scope the budding innovators have that they invest their creativity to be the part of this technological upgradation. This is not about faster network, not a new SIM card feature. It's about the technology that will decide how humans connect, work, learn, build, and serve the world for the next 40 years. And today, I'm not going to sell you 6G is faster than 5G. I'm going to show you how we can correct the mistakes we made with 5G and unlock the future that is supposed to be the present. At first, let's realize that 5G did not fail. We failed 5G. The 5G worked. It delivered the speeds it promised. It delivered almost the stereo latency and the capacity. But we were not ready. We did not fail on the antennas, but we failed on the unprepared ecosystem. Let me be more clear. First, we built the network without preparing the applications and client ecosystems. 5G was designed for real time robotics, telemedicine, automation, AR learning, and autonomous mobility. But we have nothing more than 5G capable mobile phones with 4K browsing applications. Second, industries waited for another future to upgrade themselves. Hospitals stayed analog, factories stayed unconnected, cars semi autonomous. Third, the end consumer mindset was just around high quality digital devices and stayed ignorant on the actual revolution the high speed network was capable of igniting. Keeping these in mind, let's look over the 6G. It is going to be a digital organism. It is the first communication system in human history that will behave not just like a live network but a living network. Listing out the futures of this future network is necessary before bringing out the innovation scope. They are terahertz communication, AI enabled network architecture, edge computing, non terrestrial networks, ultra low latency, super refined efficiency, high security, massive IoT connectivity, super high data rate, and capacities. Where 5G accelerated data, 6G will accelerate reality. We are talking about 1 terabit per second speeds, 100 GHz to 1 terahertz bandwidth, and near zero latency, native AI and machine learning built into every layer of network that will be able to sense, understand, adapt, and optimize itself. With these upcoming advancements, let's visualize how 6G will change our way of living, the core of this video. Number 1. Walk in automated diagnostic medicine room. For the first time in history, healthcare becomes proactive instead of reactive. With 6G, humans will walk into automated diagnostic rooms, no doctors, no waiting, no manual test. Full body scans, blood chemistry analysis, neural, cardiac, and metabolic mapping, AI cross analysis with global medical database. All diagnostics happen in real time, connected instantly to specialist doctors anywhere in the world. Robotic treatment systems, personalized medical protocols. Treatments doesn't begin after disease appears. It begins before the symptoms show up. This redefines preventive healthcare emergency response, rural medicine, pandemic control. Medicine becomes a continuous reliable service, not just a hospital visit. Number 2, transportation with human precision without human intervention. 6G enables transportation systems that operate with human level judgment but without human error. Vehicles will not be driven on roads, they will be orchestrated by the networks itself. Cars, trains, ships, and aircraft communicate instantly. Every object, obstacles, and movement is predicted. Decisions are made collaboratively by the systems. Humans don't disappear. They move into secure control rooms, supervising thousands of vehicles simultaneously. No fatigue, no distraction, no reaction delay. Transportation becomes predictive, coordinative, and nearly accident free. Number 3. Translating thought into actions for the first time. Vast neural signals can be converted into digital commands. 6G enables thought connected systems, machines that respond to your intentions, not just your input. This opens a new frontier for innovators. Mind driven robotics, medical devices, creativity tools, and accessibility tech. Number 4. Real time 3D holographic communication. Not AR filters, not VR headsets. Actual volumetric 3D holograms projected in real shape through massive bandwidth terahertz communications. This will define the new media industry, education models, and global collaborations. Number 5. The tactile internet. 6G can transmit touch, meaning you can operate machinery across the world, perform physical tasks remotely, and control robots that mimic your movements with zero delay. The future of manufacturing, surgery, rescue operations, and aviation will depend on this. Number 6, a digital twin of Earth. Every building, every river, every human health parameter, environmental shift captured, updated, and simulated in real time. This allows scientists to predict disasters week before they occur, monitor global climatic changes instantly, test ideas on digital Earth before applying them to the real Earth. This one capability alone could rewrite engineering, science, economics, and governance. Number 7, unhackable quantum communication. 6G brings the first mainstream move towards quantum internet, where encrypted keys exist as quantum states. Try to intercept them, they vanish. Try to copy them, physics prevents it. For innovators, this is the future of banking, defense systems, space missions, personal identity, medical data security, and AI infrastructures. Next, swarm intelligence at human scale. With 6G's synchronized micro latency, thousands of drones and nanobots can operate as one organism. Think about autonomous agriculture, citywide inspections, solar panel maintenance, chemical hazard cleanups, smart construction, wildlife protection. Innovation becomes biology inspired. Number 9, self healing infrastructure. 6G connected materials can detect cracks, stress, and fatigue and heal themselves using integrated nanotech. Bridges, airplanes, and skyscrapers will communicate their health in real time. Innovators can now design structures that live, sense, and respond. Number 10. The leap into interplanetary communication. 6G's satellite mesh will merge with space based quantum relays, meaning we are getting closer to instant, stable communication between Earth, Moon, and Mars. Every future space startup will depend on this, and many more creative scopes. These applications and fields are still in the initial stages of development, the right time for innovators to think about and step in. With 5G in hand, prototyping their futuristic applications and services can never have been easier than this. The network that never fails, the self diagnostic and self healing features of the 6G will never isolate spaces ever. But all this without drawbacks. The most efficient network is not claimed to consume lowest amount of energy. The enormous energy that is going to feed 6G could be destructive if we fail to optimize the sources. This is a serious thing to be discussed in detail. An exclusive video is on its way, so stay connected. More debatable queries of 6G and its threats will fire up soon with hopes to establish Mother Earth and humanity. Let's innovate to sustain. Please don't forget your formalities to our channel. Nandri, Vanakkam.